Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will find the difference using regrouping. We have the number 651 minus 125. We need to start by subtracting the ones. We notice that 1 is less than 5. We don't have enough ones to subtract. We will take a look at the tens place. In the tens place we have a 5. That means 50. We will take one of the tens and regroup it into ones. Now we only have 4 tens. We will give that 10 to the ones. 10 and 1 makes 11. Now let's try to subtract 11 minus 5. We know that's 6 because 6 plus 5 is 11. 4 minus 2 equals 2 because 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 minus 1 is 5. The difference is 526. We have 742 minus 123. Let's start by subtracting the ones. We notice that 2 is less than 3. Let's take a look at the tens place to see if we can regroup a 10 to the ones. We have 4 tens. We can take a 10, and now we only have 3 tens. We can give that 10 to the ones. 10 and 2 makes 12. 12 minus 3 is 9, because 9 plus 3 is 12. 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. The difference is 619. 652 minus 345. Let's take a look at the ones. We have 2 minus 5. We need to look at the tens place to regroup a 10 into ones. We have 5 tens. Let's take one of those tens. Now we only have 4 tens. Let's give that 10 to the ones. 2 and 10 makes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7, because 7 plus 5 is 12. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. The difference is 307. 795 minus 358. Let's start by subtracting the ones. 5 minus 8. We don't have enough ones because 5 is less than 8. Let's see if we can regroup a 10. We have 9 tens. Let's take one of those tens. Now we only have 8 tens. And let's regroup it into ones. 5 and 10 makes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7 because 7 plus 8 is 15. 8 minus 5 is 3, because 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4, because 3 plus 4 makes 7. The difference is 437. 843 minus 315. 3 minus 5. We don't have enough ones. Let's regroup a 10. We have 4 tens. We can regroup a 10. Now we only have 3 tens, and we can give that 10 to the ones. 10 and 3 makes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8, because 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. The difference is 528.